Okay, we're back. Here we have the Marshall Lead 12. It's all done. It's all cleaned up and it's looking nice. We've gone ahead and cleaned the Tolex on this. There's a few scratches and scrapes. You know, this amplifier was built in the 1980s. But all in all, it's in really good cosmetic condition. Come along the back here. I didn't go ahead and repaint the black backs on this. I think it gives it a little bit of character. So to review what we did on the head, we took the chassis out of the cabinet and we cleaned all the bug stuff out of there. Cleaned the boards, cleaned all the pots. I ended up replacing the volume pot. It was a little bit loose. It functioned well, but it was a little bit loose and I had ordered one. So I went ahead and replaced that. It's got all new knobs on it. Yeah, it's a great little amplifier. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and we'll listen to what it sounds like. All right, we'll be right back. Okay, so I've got the shop guitar hooked up into the Lead 12. I've got an old Ibanez Geo. It's a Strat clone. Got the volume and tone all the way up, and I'm using the bridge pickups. So I've got it plugged into the low sensitivity. Turn the gain up about 4, the volume up about halfway, treble, mid, and bass in the middle. Okay, so pretty clean tone. Let's go ahead and look at the tone knob. So this is all treble. Okay, treble down, mid all the way up. Mid all the way down, bass all the way up. All in the middle here. Right, this thing really doesn't start to break up until the gain is at 8. So we've got the volume again in the middle. The gain is at 6. You can hear it starts to break up, but it's kind of nasty sounding. Go ahead and turn that up to 8. All the way up. Okay, so let's go back to clean. We'll start around 2. Gain all the way up. All right, let's switch over to the high input. Gain again about 2, volume in the middle. Let's see what that sounds like. Okay, so obviously a whole lot more brighter. Gain up at 6. Gain at 8. And gain all the way up. Okay, so clean, gain at 2. Same settings, but on the low input. Alright, gain all the way up. And gain all the way up on the high. We're in the high input, gain all the way up, volume about halfway. We're going to start with the bass, middle, and treble in the middle, and then we'll start increasing and decreasing each one of these and hear how that sounds. Alright, well I hope you liked that demonstration. Again, this is a mid-1980s Marshall Lead 12. Hope you enjoyed the series and watching us repair it. Alright, thanks. Thanks for watching.